How to book an appointment for your lead. So initially we had created Joe Smith as a test lead, and I'm going to show you how to book an appointment for Joe. So it's very simple. We click on the appointments button here, choose your appointment subject. So if they're coming in for a trial, are they coming in for a retrial, are they coming in for a prisoner training session? Enrollment appointment is somebody that had been booked for a trial. They came and they loved their trial. However, they weren't ready to enroll yet. So they said, I will come at a future date. Can you please book me for an enrollment appointment? So that appointment goes here. EA follow-up is basically anybody who was booked for enrollment appointment, however, they did not show up. So you can book an EA follow-up for that person. Regular follow-up would be somebody who was booked for a trial or a retrial, however, they did not show up for their trial. So you can book a follow-up call, or you can book a follow-up once you receive a lead, whatever the situation may be. Delinquent appointments you can book, or any cancellation appointments. So let's say for our testing purposes, we're going to book a trial. I'm going to choose a start date. So let's say, this person is coming on Saturday, start time. Let's say they're going to come at 5 p.m. Okay, and I'm going to add a quick note. Now, why we use this quick note here is that we can say that Joe is coming. However, he's going to be bringing along a friend with him. Okay, so I'm going to add a quick note saying +1. Okay, and I save this appointment. Now, once I save this appointment, you see subject has been changed to a trial, and the trial has been booked for May 16th at 5 p.m. You can also view your appointment information down below here, where it shows you your trial, when the trial is booked for, who the trial was booked by, when it was booked, and the description that this person is going to be bringing along a friend with them. Another way where you can view your appointment is by clicking on the sales menu and going on your planner. See, right when you log in, you're always redirected to your planner page. So this is where you're going to be able to see who was booked for what appointment. So you can see, Trial Joe has been booked for Saturday, May 16th at 5 p.m. So if I was to click on his name, I will be redirected to his page as well.